Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss importance of bacteria. Almost we have reached to complete about this chapter of bacteria. I'll just before even I start, I wanted to tell you bacteria. You might have heard that bacteria is not good or like we don't have benefit, but you won't believe we have so many good benefits. So of course, if it have a benefit, they also have disadvantages and advantages. So first we are going to see a good shape, I mean a good side of the bacteria, which would be advantages. So let's start. I'll just tell you very important points which you might have heard. So first thing, that the bacteria on economically level, they have so many benefits, right? They have so many benefits. First of that is that they help in production. They help in production of traditional foods. What traditional foods are they talking about? It could be, you might have heard we do make yogurt, right? That's an traditional food, because yogurt is made from, like, you just take milk and you just add 1 spoon of yogurt and you just leave for overnight, right? So there you will see that they have lactobacillus bacteria which make that yogurt, right? So this means the yogurt you eat is very beneficial for our diet, right? And that's made from the bacteria. Even not only yogurt, cheese, even though vinegar, these all are very important importance of, like, very important form of the bacteria. And this was the one, like, main cause. Secondly, I will tell you 5 to 6. Secondly, then they have microbes, not microbes, but yes, they help in fertilizer. They are good fertilizer. If they are good fertilizer, this means they help in agriculture. They help in agriculture, like they provide good nitrogenous soil. They help in nitrogen fixation. Even though they help, they also have, like, you might have heard about saprophytic. Even I discussed in few last videos saprophytic, like, which help in dead, these are the dead, or not organs, but they are like dead decomposer. This means they decompose and take, if there's any body which have been dead, like that died now, so it will take all the important nutrients from that body and will give to environment. Okay, so it will be given to environment. Even the main, if I just talk about another third, this is like very beneficial. How? Just because you might have heard that, as I just told you, they help in fertilization. They are also good decomposers. If they are decomposer, this means when they take the dead material nutrients and they provide into the environment, so they release minerals, nutrients, all the important things in environment. Even though the carbon dioxide we have, if there would be no decomposer, so we even would not have carbon dioxide. If no carbon dioxide, this means plant cannot make the food. If no plant, like, if plant are not making the food, this means even human cannot survive, because we need oxygen, and oxygen is provided when carbon dioxide is provided to plants, right? So this means this is very important point. They help in nitrogen fixation, and the main plant here would be leguminous plant. I'm sure it's clear to you. And they also and yes, bacteria is also used. This is the fourth point. Bacteria, which is also used in like antibiotics and these forms. Or we just say they are used in a genetic engineering. How they are used in genetic engineering? It's like, you might have heard about plasmid, which is non-chromosomes. it's like simply they produce, we have so many benefits. Even now DNA is made, they just take genome and insert into another body. So these all types of works have been are done just because of bacteria. Insulin, E. coli bacteria as well. So fifth point is that they help in E. coli. E. coli production is also done because of this bacteria. So this means they form antibodies, not antibodies but antibiotics. Whereas, let's discuss sixth point. And you will also see they help in the nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation is like simply they convert nitrate. Plant cannot use nitrate, but it can, bacteria help them to convert and convert into ammonia, NH3, right? And the best examples here you will see would be rhizobium and leguminosum. Okay, then these all are the very good benefits, and they also have other benefits, but like these were the most important. So I'm sure it's clear to you. Then now let's look into the disadvantages. First thing, they spoil food. This means spoil, like that make the sometimes they make the food which is even not good for our health, so we even need to leave and need to not eat that food. They help in saprophytic. You might have heard about saprophytic food. This means which is made from decay of organic compound organic molecules. When it's decayed, so they also produce toxins. When toxins are produced, so that food is called as phytomians. I'm not sure about the spelling of this word, but I'm sure it's like yes, that's phytomians. This means phytomians is present in that food, and when we eat that food, that's called food poison, and that's like a biggest food poison. And in biology, that food poison would be called as botulism. Okay, when in botulism, this now if this is an MCQ as well, that this botulism would be like is very illness and serious illness. This is caused by which bacteria, or like how is that caused? That is caused by clostridium botulinum. So this means we also have benefit, and this disease caused by bacteria in men and plants, like both. Okay, so I'm sure these all are the benefits, and I hope you understand all of these. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.